Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be solving the question for find first and the last position of an element in a sorted array. This is a Leetcode medium and the question number for this is 34. So in this question we are given with an integer array nums which is sorted in non-descending order, is a non-decreasing order, and we have to find the starting and the ending position of the target value. If the target is not in the array, just we have to return -1 and -1. And we are also given that we must write the algorithm with login of runtime. So for the intuition for this is like we would be using a binary search approach. Remember, whenever there are terms like sorted and we have to search in the question, then simply one thing should come in your mind, that is binary search. Because whenever the array is given sorted, there has to be a meaning for this, and this is because we can apply the binary sort. And for this question, we need to apply binary sort two times. One for finding the first element, first occurrence, and next binary search we have to run for the last position. And if this question is asked in your interview, please do not directly jump on the binary search approach. Please first tell that you are going to iterate through the entire loop and store the first and the last position. Then you must tell him that you are going to optimize it by using a binary search approach. So now let's start with the binary search approach. As I told you, I would be going to use two binary search functions. So I am going to write now. So first of all, we have to return an integer array. So let me make an integer array answer equal to, then we have to initialize this with, no, we can directly call our functions. Like for this we'll call functions. Now we have to write the first and the last method, which will be going to return the first occurrence and the last occurrence respectively. Now let us write the first function, private. We are going to take an integer and one target. First of all, initialize the low with 0, high with 1. Then while low is less than or equal to high, instead of this you can also write low plus high by 2, but in some cases, like when the either of the either of the pointer is integer maximum, this may overflow. So writing low plus high minus low by 2 is same as low plus high by 2, but it does not cause uh, overflow. So please try to use this. Now you in this we are going to check if the current minimum at which we are is greater than equal to our target. If it is greater than equal to target, then what we'll do, then we'll check if either is it the element, is it the same element that we are wanting. So if it is that, what we do, store the answer in the mid and shorten the search space, because the current element is an answer. There may be a possibility that there can be more occurrences of the same element. So what we'll do is that we'll move the high point, because we are trying to find the first occurrence. So that will be always on the left side. If there are more occurrences, it will always be on the left side. So we have to move the right pointer to the current pointer -1. So that's why we are doing high equal to mid -1. And otherwise we'll simply go, if the current element will be shorter than mid, then we have to simply increase our starting pointer to mid +1, that is low equal to mid +1, and we have to return. We can keep we will return simply the answer. Now coming to the second function which we need to write. Again, initialize the low with 0, initialize the high with total length -1. Calculate the mid. Now in this case, like there we were checking if the element was greater than or equal to, then we were knowing that there may be chances that there are occurrences of element before the current element. So what we were doing is that we were moving the right pointer to the current pointer. But in this we are going to check if the element is smaller than or equal to. So we have checked the left side. So we are going to check the remaining part. So for this, first of all we'll check if this mid is our target or not. If this is the target, just store it in the answer. And there may be a possibility that there may be more occurrences in the right side. So for the right side, what we'll do, we'll increase the starting pointer to mid +1, that is low equal to mid +1. And so in the else part, simply go I equal to mid -1, and after the while loop, return the answer. Now let's check if it runs or not. Accepted. So yeah, this was the accepted solution. Coming to the time complexity of the solution, the time complexity is log of n, because binary search algorithm has a time complexity of log n, and we are using the binary search 2 times, but it doesn't matter because that will be 2 of log n. That is because we ignore the constant, so it becomes log n. And the space complexity is O of 1, because we are not using constant space by using some variables, so this will also not counted. Now please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and remember to come back to watch next video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day, and please give your suggestion in the comment section.